In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrencies from the Earn wallet to your spot wallet on Binance. The process involves redeeming your assets and ensuring they are available for trading or withdrawal, which is essential for managing your cryptocurrency efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once logged in, locate the wallets option in the main menu. Click on it to access the various wallet types available. From the list, select Earn Wallet to view the assets you currently hold in Earn products. It is important to review your assets thoroughly and check the redemption availability, as some products may have specific waiting periods before you can transfer them. Understanding these terms will prepare you for the transfer process. Next, identify the asset you wish to transfer from your Earn Wallet. Look for the option labeled Redeem or Transfer and click on it. A prompt will appear allowing you to select Spot Wallet as the destination for your funds. After choosing the Spot Wallet, you will need to confirm the amount you wish to redeem. Be sure to review the processing time associated with the redemption, as this can vary. Once you have confirmed all details, submit your redemption request. This action initiates the movement of funds from your Earn Wallet to your Spot Wallet. After submitting the redemption request, it is essential to wait for the completion of the process. During this time, you may see a loading indicator or confirmation message on the screen. Once the redemption is complete, navigate back to your wallet section and check your Spot Wallet balance. This step is crucial to ensure that the funds have successfully transferred. It is advisable to save any redemption records for your reference. With the funds now in your Spot Wallet, you can utilize them for trading or initiate a withdrawal if needed. Keep an eye on any potential processing delays that may occur during busy periods. If you experience any significant delays, do not hesitate to contact customer support for assistance. This ensures that any issues are resolved promptly and that you can access your funds without unnecessary complications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.